Once we click Save, if we go back into DREAMWEAVER, let's go back to DREAMWEAVER, you'll notice in our site window, we now have, if we open our library folder, our library item. Now this library item is stored in this folder, and you can think of it as a master object. If we now open up, let's say, our HTML page that we originally exported from Fireworks, the HTML and imagery, you'll notice we're back inside the page that originally exported from the Fireworks program. I'm going to access what's called the library panel in DREAMWEAVER and show you where that library item is now stored. If I draw your attention to the window menu and we choose library, you'll now notice that inside of our library panel we now have the item that we exported from Fireworks and automatically saved as a library item. Whenever we place this item on every page within our website from this point on, we'll now be able to globally update that item when we choose to do so. So to quickly show you what that means, all I need to do is simply create a new file. Let's choose File, New. And if we want to insert this library item onto the page, well, you'll notice on our library panel, there's an Insert button. We'll go ahead and select the library item, click the Insert button. Now we have the library item on our screen. You'll notice when I deselect it, it's highlighted, surrounded by yellow highlighting. That highlighting represents the fact that we are using a library item, a master object, that if we decide we want to make changes to it, we can now do so globally. And to make a minor or a major change to a library item, all we need to do is double-click the item in our library panel. Now you'll notice, if I draw your attention to our title bar at the very top of the window, we are in Library Edit mode. This is where we can now make the change to the item, and any page where our library item resides will now be automatically updated. And that's all there is to it.